Hello mighty pirates! So what we're going to do today, we're going to test this fabulous machine using one game and this audio interface, and we're going to actually run the game without the audio interface, using just a caption interface here, so using the standard audio capabilities of this machine, and then we're going to load the game again using this interface here. So we're going to appreciate the differences between the standard audio and the new one. So let's do it! As you can hear right now, we're loading Amo Del Mundo. It's a game, I think it's a pretty famous game, which is supposed to use the audio interface. So now we are loading it just with a capstone, and then we're going to listen to this, to what the standard audio offers. Okay, so we're going to wait until the end. Oh wow, nice. Oh, wow, okay, let's see. Wow, nice effect. Okay, what is it? Oh, right. Oh, okay, this is a Spanish game, I think. So I need to connect the joystick to the capstone interface here, and I hope to not make any disaster. All right, 3. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. 0. It's not letting me play. I'm wondering if there are some problems on the keyboard. Maybe. Let's see. No. It was just perfect. Damn. Yeah, of course. So I loaded the game again, and I decided to play with the keyboard because the capstone option doesn't seem to work. So I'm afraid that this game doesn't have sound at all. I mean, without the interface, I don't hear anything coming out from the spectrum, and as you can see, the gameplay is already there, and so even if I press fire, something like that, or like that, yeah, doesn't happen anything. I don't hear anything. Alright, so now I'm going to reset, or better, switch off the machine. I'm going to pull off this one. Alright, this is the capstone interface, of course, and I'm going to insert this one here, like this, as you can see it, and then I'm going to Perfect. So, interface is in. Everything is ready. So I'm going to load the game again. Who knows what happens? Oh well, of course I'm going to insert the jack inside the audio interface. Alright. Let's hear what happens. Perfect. Okay. So, let's do it. Maybe I will be luckier this time with using the caption. Who knows? Here we go. So at the moment there is no audio. Okay. So let's see if. Oh yeah, I heard. All right. What's happening? Well, okay. I'm going to read. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. So when I press the up button here, okay, let's try to fire something. Okay. The sound is very low, but it seems that only the left channel is working. I'm wondering if there are some problems with the interface. Anyway, we realized that there is more sound in the game with the audio interface attached, and no sound at all without it. Well, okay, better than nothing. Okay, until next time, bye guys, see you in the next game.